Well, greetings subscribers, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. We are now at Boulder City for the Best Damn Car Show in 4K Ultra HD with the ND filter. So this place is so big. I'm hoping the battery's gonna last, and just not really sure where to start. I mean, usually this is where we like to start off, but we've got 50 rows, and I have to watch out for the music, man. They got some stuff playing overhead and a couple of the trucks and stuff like that. Got things going on. But real quickly, these little Boulder City vehicles are really cute. Boulder City Electric. Man, I'm worried about this filter because this stuff looks dark. Now, this one's just the circular polarized, the CP, so it should not really cut down too much on the brightness, overall brightness, because it's not that bright today. But I mean, it is, but still shouldn't be really cutting down on the sun. So I think we'll burn through maybe the middle here, hit some of that. I gotta watch out about that truck playing some music, but we'll go. This little ranch wagon. Look at all of their stuff. Man, that corn looks good. Now I'm hungry for corn. Yeah, ready to eat popcorn. That's
we can see if they have corn
on the cob. Nah.
At the barbecue. Boxes.
That ranch wagon. This thing, he usually doesn't come out to anything unless it's out here. Probably thinking it's a Boulder City owner, and again, it's usually here only. Never see it anywhere else. Look familiar? Reminds me of the 59 Ford Galaxy that we had. Mr. Safari, seen this one before. Beautiful. And look at that shine. Wow. That is nice.
Yeah, Pontiac, 57 Pontiac. See how much it's so different? Even the roof. Same tailgate, but the body.
You went up to the window there.
Yeah, Pontiac. Pontiac's on, all Pontiac Oldsmobiles and all that.
There's the little Studebaker truck. Yeah, so I gotta watch. Again, somebody's playing some music. Not bad music, it's just I wanted to get over here to Chuck Beltram's Cadillac here, so kind of let me talk over this real quick. Oh, look at that. Oh, I was gonna say, hey, look, they just turned it off. But yeah, 15 seconds is enough to kill me. So here's Chuck's. This thing's green. I know it's gonna look like it's black, but it is not. I got this on the Cadillacs at Town Square, so I got some video of this already. Hey Chuck, how's it going?
Good. How are you?
All right.
Got the beauty out.
That's right. Where's the showgirls?
Well,
No showgirls today.
we're in Boulder.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. Yeah. So I've
the Mormons.
yeah.
Yeah.
Mormon crowd, yeah. Tell me about it. There you go.
Hey.
They brought the Mormons out.
Not acting. Not even close to that.
It's all good. We get some a little bit of the Cadillac. Everybody's just camping out, having some fun from the Cadillac Club. There's the Cadillac. Not to be mistaken with my car originally, the Cadillac, but yep. As you know, mine was a 70 Fleetwood Brougham, even bigger and longer than this car. So this 57 is beautiful. Look at that upholstery. Love that pattern. I think when I redo the Nash, I want that kind of pattern. I'm just not sure with the button, with the kind of like the envelope stitch comes down in a V with the one little button on it. It's pretty cool. So, man, I don't even know. It's gonna be so. See Hunter.
Oh, okay.
Straight ahead.
Ah,
Under
okay.
the tent. I don't see Barry though. All right, I'll try to get down this. Like I said, man, it's just so tough. Well, you know what? We'll stick to this row because we got the stragglers there in the back.
Oh, what's that one that I took the picture of the front?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
Started running.
Yeah, he's gonna say second distance. I'm right over here by the wheel. I'm by the wheel. I know, I'm way on the other side.
don't want to miss any of the cool cars. Try to show a little bit of love for everybody. Over for the whiskey wagon. It's cool just because that gas tank is so hilarious. Yeah, gotta watch out. Again, music.
All right, let's go this way.
We were just here a second ago and you had no. I said I'm not entering and participating.
No.
You said, are you going to the show and are you going to pick up your registration? And I said no and no.
You misrepresented.
All right, so just
yourself.
pretend. Hey, you're not making it to Fox Barbecue anyway because you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter. We're gonna go eat at Fox after this, and you're not. And I have 2 seats, so you're not riding with us. I'll be back around, Barry. You probably already ate. It's early. Well, guys, I don't know what you prefer. If you want me to just walk the lot, get kind of an overview of everything. I really hope this filter is doing justice. Again, it should not be killing the video quality. It should just be knocking out the sun glare. It's CP, circular polarized ND filter. So, and check this out. Got the supercharged Nissan 350Z still in Brickyard right up front. Yeah, people pulling out. Is he gonna head up the stairs? All right. Well, I think let's get away from the music. That's a trip. Yeah, I gotta really worry. Oh, she brought out her car. There you go. Yeah, again, gotta watch the music. Nice Nova.
It's just gone fast.
Yeah, there you go.
Well, I saw the. I'd rather go crack the body out of Corvette. What's going on?
He's an OB, man.
Huh?
He's an OB. Nothing. It's just, you know. Oh, yeah, I know. Right, right. Yeah, we knew OBJ, Outback Jack.
Yeah, we
Remember? He had that plate. Yeah, I know Plum Crazy Pam's in heaven. Police interceptor.
girls and the little girls go running through the restaurant complaining when they came in. Yep. I know.
Joey Bag. He hasn't been out in a little bit. Bare bones forever. There's the bass boat. This thing has got, I mean, look at the size of this fleck. All right, well, again, tough to get.
Just online, saw it, had the tile, had everything I wanted.
Yeah, I'll probably still come down the front, get the front of these, so might as well concentrate on some of this. OB Scar.
Welcome everybody to the best damn barbecue in Carson.
Best damn barbecue. Yeah, the only problem is last time they didn't have Fox. They had a Fox barbecue truck and then didn't end up. That's pretty cool.
See one of these lovely ladies, they'll help you out.
One of these ugly ladies. What did he just say?
Hey, everybody's got to eat, right?
Man, look at that.
Funnel cake break, I like that. We'll use that one.
Wow. That's really nice. All right. Could be mistaken, but isn't that like Karate Kid?
They were giving away reservations.
No. I'm glad I came to this one. They had one in. Yeah. I get it. So that was the first car I bought.
All right. Well, oh, definitely gotta block that out. And where's the speakers? I gotta get the mics, man, because definitely Beatles will definitely knock me off of YouTube for sure. So you get far away from that, they won't even take it. So, all right. There you go. Check this out. It's a chrome grille, dual headlights. That's nice too. There's cats. That bow tie better be on straight, girl, or I am going to blast you online. Yeah, that. There you go. We've seen this one before. Yeah, I'm gonna have to try to blur that music out because again, it's getting worse, not better. Yeah, you remember when I did the reveal for the 70 Challenger, and man, the Beatles, they wouldn't even post it. I couldn't even upload it to YouTube because of the Beatles. The Beatles are so bad with their copyright BS. Even though I'm a content creator, you know, and we're at a public venue, it doesn't matter. So, well, I might have to overlay some music here and just not worry about it. So if I drop out, I'll throw something on, or I'll just mute it. So, you know, because I don't want to try to work around it. Anyway, enjoy. Yeah, it's gonna be a problem. Look at that, man.
Does somebody recreate that sticker?
Yeah, you can buy them at Classic Industries.
Okay.
Or Year One. They both have them. Because I have a 446 pack,
Oh.
so you can get them. They're just look online. Classic Industries is like the fastest. They sell the fender tag. They sell pistons and everything. You know, I mean, you're reusing the rods and some stuff, but like new pistons and forged pistons, whatever. It's like normally you'd be able to order that, and if you really needed it, you'd FedEx it over, but you can't get any of it.
He waited like 3 months for pistons, and he gets the pistons, and there's no rod.
And yeah,
So he waits another 2 months
to get the rest of it. Yeah. Well, I love it. Looks nice. Yeah, I love these in the road. We're using the road runners when they started to figure out how to make their own windows and their own glass and bend them.
Yeah.
Yeah, GTX Roadrunner.
Yeah.
Nice. I like it. right, guys, I think I just missed maybe one row over on the other side, but we're gonna wrap it up. Battery's getting low. We're gonna come here by the Z. So that is your Boulder City best damn barbecue and car show here in Boulder City. So hope you enjoy it. Probably can't monetize this. I don't even know if it'll upload with the Beatles in the background because, man, YouTube is really bad with them on copyright. So if you see this, okay. If you don't, all right. We still got to check and see what the that ND filter looks like anyway. So all right.